Right crew, we've got the DS and Aberdeen EDE. Uprising party, 19th in business. Coming through with weakness vibe. We've got the DS and Aberdeen EDE inside. Get ready for the vibe. Aberdeen DS inside with the EDE. Overboard Posse live and direct. Time to kick it down in Canada. Make you sweat. Yes, that's what we come through with business. We can keep that, gonna bring it through. DS in the face, you gotta rock ya. Once you get in the face to me, you've got the Aberdeen, the EDE and the DS. 19th birthday business. Alright, are you ready? One love, one more. Goes out to Coffee in the place. Goes out to Stomping Tom. Goes out to the Boulder Boys. Taking the Crawley for the ride. The moment at times is the essence of the room and ride. It's your time to shine. It's every way and every day. It's your time to shine, yeah. This is never right. It's time to shine. To the victories up to the back make roll. That's the rocky dance, to the show. You get that off your face. You get that in the place. The rocky dance, to the feeling. We've got the weakness down to the truth. We've got overboard direct you. Inside the LD, the other side. DS. Birthday right now. Yes, we've got the 19th birthday. The STD, the Rough Ride. Who's ready for the ride? Who's ready for the roll? I believe you're ready to go. Yes, man, we've got a little bit of a control. But the S is the victory. Gonna get you happy. You're moving that beat. You're gonna make you happy. Bossy, the victory. You're looking at the rolling and the styling. Get to the vibe. Take it high. The S is tied. Yes, man, we've finished the flight. On the ride, on the style. Overboard record coming through. We've got the operation energy. Operation energy. Operation flow. It's time to get you down to the disco flow. And yes, how to kick your intro with a flow. We got the sound of the DS for Hamady, the MC Eddie. Are you ready? Wakey, rise on the shine. It's time to do what I'm a kind of wicked baseline. We say wakey, rise on the shine. The Aberdeen, I'm happy, yes, you know we feeling fine. We coming on right now with a bit of sound, you know we got the track. It's Aberdeen, I'm happy, yes, the number one. The diplomat, taking it with the mic, know you coming out to do what I'm done. It's somewhere in the place I'm blazing. Moving the mic amazing. Rocking, rolling, riding down with the mic, you need to down. It's Aberdeen, it's down to open the mic, and on your down. Ready for this one. Goes out to the one like Stomping Tom, Dwarfy, Overboard Massive. Know how we do. Aberdeen, down on upper. Got come running in the back to back, no we got wicked chatter. Liverpool rapper, just think of the one for my gamma. It's Aberdeen, the what? The blood clot chamber. Got come running in front of the one number. Let me know that head, cause when I'm in the mic, down this one. Liverpool rapper, just moving the body left to the right. Blow you up like dynamite. Aberdeen, I'm rapper, hold tight insider. Dealing with this rider, some rude organizer. We're deep inside, you're in the mic just like a screwdriver. It's Aberdeen, we're going deeper, going darker. Hold tight to the what, yo? Hold tight for the raver. Move for the mic now, you really ready? It's Abba and the Eddie, the DS. They'll say we come to levitate, even though we're heavyweight. Pound for pound. And Yes, picking up all the massive. This is how we do. Bass ganja, spinning in the bass ganja. Who can the mind, don't live longer. Who can the mind, always up on this dance to what happened. I don't want like Eddie. We're in the bass, yes, you know, say that we heavy. Abadan, Abadi, Abba fucking Dappity. Picking up on that, picking the mind, don't rock to the mic, come follow me. It's time with the tendency. We take over the bomber, ready for the beat and brand new track. Abadan D, I'm a diplomat, I'm shooting in with a cape on back. Hit the hard with the bass over, I'm a lyrical fucking diplomat. Now here we go again, ready for the mix, ready for the blend. We got Abadan recommend, drop on front of the beat, all friend. All the mass fun, all the create, know this style we send. Yes man, everybody in the place to be. Especially that, especially sorry. Place to fuck with me. I'm a D, I'm a easy me. Who's ready for the kick to the face? Run the yes baby.
Operation Energy.
Once again goes out to all crews inside. It's time to catch the ride. It's time to alive. Bad boy in the place to be. This fucking tag gonna get you tag gonna be at EDE. EDY, versatile. I'm a big side. Yes, the ride. Yes, man. Overall, catch the ride. Check one. Yes, man. We were fucking getting it down. Yes, man. Yes, man. We were fucking getting it down. Check out the sound. Yes, it's down. Bring it around. Yo. We got the DS on the toe, yo. We got the rapper vibe, we got the style. At the end of the down, that's the time. We got the DS, we got the style. We can roll the roots just like DJ Versatile, check. Haha. Once again goes out to all crews inside. Aberdeen ready for the ride. Overboard crew ready for the style. Uprising 19th birthday. Haha. DS rushing down, DS rushing down. Yes man, bring it through. Face to the face to the face to the beat and the smashing down and the ring it through. We've got the bassline, we've got the driver, we've got my DJ yes operator. Haha. Yo, lead down with Rastro. My picture holder will flip the floor on go. We've got the ED in the face to fucking day. It's fucking down the beat, it's down the day, it's fucking popping. Yes, man, in the massive party. Aberdeen for the ride. Check out the ride. A to B. You're taking up your damn EDE. Aberdeen, I'm down, stick on the mic, my champion. Rock up on the beat, or man, you know you'll get them job done. Aberdeen, I'm the everyday, just stick on the mic, don't play the day, all day, okay. What you gonna do? Play how we ride, hey. Aberdeen, I'm champion. Rock up on the beat, or man, hear the place, we're getting job done. It's Aberdeen, I'm one in the yard. I'm a Liverpool rapper, rock the bacon, coming out here, dance to me, we got the structure. Rock my front with the band back, keep down with the blue boy on your back. I'm a dandy, I'm a diplomat, just get him in the mic and stand his back. Here we go, now here we go. Rock to the bad man, you know we go. Rock to the beat, now with the bumbo. It's Aberdeen with tornado, even though you know go. Rock to the beat, now let me know. Aberdeen with a brand new flow. Here we go, intro. It's Aberdeen, Aberdeen, Aberdeen. Listen.
You must be judged.
Check one. It's Aberdeen, the Dapper Dan. You ready for the MC Eddie, the DS? And yes, as we blaze the ganja, you know we live a longer.
Not in 14th century, not since Rio's first began to leapfrog through time.
Whoa!
You will not be shown an council leaders. The council will convene and decide.
And yes,
You have broken the chain and the covenant. You must be
as we
judged.
kick it with a stand with DS. ball back, ready to be no on the attack. We take our body ball back, ready to be no on the attack. It's Abedi, yes, I'm number one, a diplomat. We get a bit of Michael, you come again. Rude boy, Abaddon, mix and blend. In the place we blazing, we're raving. Listen, as we get in lyrical, physical, wonderful, magical. Abaddon eastbound angle.
You must be just.
Are you ready now? It's time to show them how. Are you ready now? We gotta take our body bar down. You're really ready, bit of one. Abedi, Abaddon, Pedan. All of you down, get a move on. Back with the lyrical, Liverpool down. We come on down, get a bit of music. Abedi, Abaddon, yes, you know we never abuse it. Listen up, gonna make you rock. Abedi, Abaddon, you see on the mic, man, champion. Rock up, party with me, oh man, you know we'll get the job done. Abedi, every day, you pick up the mic, don't play. Every day, all day, okay, now what you gonna do, just play how we like. Rock up, party with the back, you go have that on the attack. In the place, yes, you know it's Johnny, but we coming on down. No, with the beat is down, up the treble. It's Abedi, that got it evil like the devil. Yes, who's up to this one? Who's back it on and reach it up? We got this on right, got it right. Yes, what you saying, man? Say it. What you saying? Yeah. Lyrical rap, how they say lyrical rap. Just taking the part, living in the mic, you know the way we want. I said that lyrical rap, how must be me. It's time with the bad boy, down with the beat. The blue boy, have that knee, we coming out back now with a bit of beat, now with a bit of shot, now with a bit of pressure. Up and down, adapting, yes you know we coming at ya. Down with the beat, with the bass, you know we got the structure. Lyrical rap, you know we coming on at ya. Drop top, front of the one, front of the drop, front of the dot. Hold up your hand, down, get a move on, come back. We got lyrical concert, lyrical rap, say lyrical me. Down with the bad boy, rude boy, happening. We coming back with the beat and the pressure. It's Abaddon, cause you know we gotta get ya. We take you down with the sound of the treble. Abaddon, up because I'm evil like the devil. Evil like the devil. Set back, get a bit of mental, get a bit of mental. Listen, down is sentimental. Abaddon and up, we're gonna see you like a mental. Check one. And yeah, as we just boost it down, we take it to the next level. We got the Diaz, the Habit, the Eddie. You really fucking ready? Got the boy time, you know we heavy. Place on levitate, no bigger the bass and party. Abedi, I'm feeling great, no open the gates, we'll be late. for the mind anticipate. Drop in the middle of my beats, I'm making no I'm feeling great. Drop in the middle of the beats, I'm dropping time, baby, just get them all on. Back with the bar, with the Liverpool tongue, it's time for the blue boy, bass on drop. Bass on drop, get them all on, it's time for this one. You really ready? Yeah! Yes, one, here we go! Down with the real flow. Jump in the middle bang, get in the middle bang, tap in the middle bang, drop in the middle bang, roll with the middle bang, flex in the middle bang, get in the middle bang, jump, gotta move your body. Then get this, rude boy, I've done you conquest. Down with the mix, jump list, come with the middle bang, come take my wrist. Down with the number one, I've done you, we coming on strong, move your body, get the bass on, not just listen up, besides this one. I've been in, I've been done, I've been fucking dapper. Ready in the place, cause you know we got the structure. Yes, as we pull down to this one, we got the structure we have a need. It's time to kick you down, it's time to get you in the party. We've got the rhythm and flow, we've got the dance on full flow, let's go. Place to be, full live there. In every way to there, especially not gonna get you down, gonna get your body back. What you saying man, coming through with angel me, especially not gonna get you down, gonna get ya lively. We ain't to me, to the gospel later, gonna kick you down, gonna rock you down, gonna get ya. Yes man, bring it through. Yeah, your time to shine. Your time to shine man. We got a little bit right, bring it through. How you doing? How you doing crew? Who's STBTY? I'll show you why, we'll show you why. We've got direct down from Billboard, baby, bring it through. We've got the LGs, we've got the EDE. We've got the DS, got your style. Your time. As we build it up to there, smashing it to breath. Smashing it up that rhythm through. Gonna fuck it up, gonna bring it up, gonna what you do. Who's ready to roll? Gonna kick you down and get the show. Who's ready? Who's ready? Who's ready for the flow? Yeah, your time. Time. Haha. Crew. Digging down with the rubber track. Now make the roll, the rubber, jumper on the track. Come on down, to west. Digging down, I feel it best. I'll just keep digging down. Get it down. You know the sound. I'll just keep digging down. Right now. Yes, it's down on all labels. Aberdeen. Who's ready for the hardcore ride? Who's ready for the ride? You got the DS to the side. The Aberdeen, the Aberdeen. Gonna bring it up, gonna bring it all right there. The Aberdeen, it's the Aberdeen. It's been hard, like we fucking care. Walk up, walk up, walk up, walk up, we go down to the front, look at the mic down, this one, I'm ready to go down, ready to go down, get into the party now. Back to the front, jump, like that, I'm on the side, baby, I'm a dapper. Hold tight inside, I will be living this ride, I'm the more organizer. Deep inside, I'm ready for the mic, it's like a screwdriver. It's Aberdeen, we go, we keep it going darker. Hold tight to the what now, hold tight to the raver. Listen, as we just take it to the next level on the mission. Goes out to all crew, all listeners, know how we do. We do the same things as you do. As we just wake it up, wake it up.
Here it comes, the son of sun beat creator. I know the trick, I'm a best for the data. Avoiding the impossible and never on the run.
When I say we want, you say flavor. We want, we want, we want, yeah.
Beat creator, dance floor, the data.
Go, go, rock to the beats, I'll let you know. We're up and down like Pogo, you know, bro, so you flow. Listen to my intro, like Warflow, you know. Actually, activities to our show. We're coming on down with a new flow. Aberdeen upon the mic with that fucking inner glow. You ready now? I'm done, you gonna show you how. Make your money bar shake, our money bar rock, our money bar down, down. And yeah, kicking it up like you wouldn't believe. Coming on back now. now with a techno with a treble. Whoa. Anytime we come.
I'll be shooting with my gun. Through the gates of riots, I'm still banging the drum. I take it, I rock it, I kick it and abuse it. I dedicate my life to this music.
And yeah, the DJ, yeah. I gotta flavor, I gotta juice, you gotta get live, you gotta get loose, cause I'm gonna give you the maximum boost. You start playing everything time to use it. DJ take control, hard your mind, but your soul. I've been seeing the face, you let the good time go, yeah. I've been on the mic, yeah, we're just not black. We coming on back now with the techno amazing. We driving down upon the mic inside. Dealing with the rhythm, we say dealing with the rider. Get a bit of you, come again with the root boy, I'll be down mix and the blend. And yeah, and we come with a killer.
Since day one, I've been shooting with my gun. Through the gates of riots, I'm still banging the drum. I dig it, I rock it,
out to all massive, all crew.
I dedicate my life to this music.
Lyrical dapper, it's time for the room will happen, cause you know how we come. Lyrical dapper must be me. You ready?
Be creative.
Abadan, coming on strong, move your money to the next time, don't just listen up, we will move on. It's Aberdeen, coming straight fucking at ya. Listen. Abadan, think of the man champion. Rock up and a minute, oh man, you know we'll get them jobs done. Lyrical dapper must be me. It's down with the bad boy, down with the beat, no rude boy, Aberdeen. It's lyrical dapper. It's down with the rude boy, Habber, and the Eddie, here we come. You ready for the walk with the city rider? Habber, you come back inside, down with the beat to the city rider. You can match like screwdriver, Aberdeen going deeper. Yeah, we know we darker. Get a bit of back, no calling back, no for the fucking raver. Yes, we got a big side crew too. This is big time rocking too. We've got the bass down, kicking down with the blue line. We've got the bass down and kicking fine. This is the bass to make you witty. Bass to make you me. Yeah, smash the island. Bass is the place to be. Haha. As we go into this one, once again, 19th birthday business from the Aberdeen EVE and the DS in the party.
It's time for a man to use absolute power for the cause of ultimate peace. It's time for a man to rid the world of conflict and allow all men and women to
Who's ready for a blaster? Who's ready for the hyper rider? DS, ready play.
for man to become God with God.
This is what it says. Supersonic! My DJ Jimmy down to the Supersonic! Super galactic vibe! My DS coming live inside, galactic vibe! Style! You know! DJ right now, come now! You know! Flow! DS on the rock and roll! Yes man, bring it through! People the vibe is massive too! You know, yes, right now. Your time. Bring it on, crew. Take time to win the song. We got the bass I go. We got the bass I go. And later on it goes. Go. Do it. You know, make the bass and kick it down. Make the bass right now. You know, let's do it. Smash it right now. Yes, baseline flow. Yes, man, that's how it goes. boy. Let's go. Let's go, let's go. Face to face, let's go, let's go.
I will become.
Whoa, whoa. Are you ready? Are you ready to blow now? Listen. Up and down, they need the microphone, they call me a champion. Anytime we come, yes you know we are up and down. Anytime they need the microphone, we are champion. Rock off running in the back and back, and down with the beats are on the attack. You boy, have it down, never die, yeah. In the place for standing back, in the hall with the bass over. Moving in with the game on back, Liverpool did play back. Never like this, never like that. In the place for standing back. You ready for this, you ready for what? You ready to stand with the bass you got. Have it down, just pump it up. Don't look down, we don't give fuck. Don't give a diggy down, or diggy diggy diggy. Have it down under one MC Eddie. Don't forget the DS. You know, say that we heady.
Hi. I'm here today because I'm addicted to marijuana.
And yes, as we smoke on the ganja, we're addicted to marijuana.
Burn this motherfucker down.
Whoa.
Burn this motherfucker down.
Smoke for ganja. Smoke for ganja. With the bass live longer. I'm a leader, no reason when I'm stronger. With the drop, I'm a leader with bass on drop. All of the outside is what's together, move on. We don't know that now, we're gonna jump now, we're gonna be careful. I'm a guy that we're gonna see it like the mental. I'm experimental, you know it's experimental. Like the fundamental, don't melt away like candle. Whoa, as we just levitate. Getting hot and sweaty. Yeah. And yes, you've been in tune to the sound of the DS, the Hammer, and the Eddie. Know how we do. Promoing. Big it up.
I'm here today because I'm addicted to marijuana.
Who's addicted to the ganja?
It's a marijuana.
Marijuana is not a drug.
To the ganja.
I used to suck dick for coke.
Marijuana.
And that's an addiction, man. You ever suck some dick for marijuana? No, I can't say I am. I didn't think so.
Shut the fuck up.
Do it. Yes, I'm taking the list of there. Who smokes the weed? We got the Eddie style. We can style. We very fucking soda. Soda. We very fucking soda. Marijuana. We very fucking soda. Who's getting stoned? This is rad with the stuff. Red eye in the place to be. We got the smooth bubble red eye starting to be. Red eye. Smooth bubble red eye. Yes, we've got the red eye. Smooth bubble red eye. Ballistic down. Face to the bigger bass kick down. Ballistic down. Bigger, bolder, rougher, tougher, down and touchdown. Ballistic transitioner. Yo.
Burn this motherfucker down.
What do you think of this?
This motherfucker
Stoner. Stoner in the face. You better like looking at you looking fucking face. You looking face, you looking face. coming through with the weakness vibe. We've got the DS and Aberdeen and ED inside. Get ready for the vibe. Aberdeen DS inside with the EDE. Overboard Posse live and direct. Time to kick you down in Canada, make you sweat. Yes, man, so we go through the business.